The Missouri Supreme Court says public defenders can't reject cases due to their caseloads. We have been following these issues facing the attorneys appointed for people who can't afford one of their cases. ABC 17's Lucas Geisler joins us outside of the Boone County Courthouse tonight live. And Lucas, the decision comes from a situation in southwest Missouri.
Yeah, Ashley, the Supreme Court says that public defenders must follow certain state laws before they can reject any cases. I spoke to the head of the Boone and Cooper County Public Defender's Office on how this decision might affect their office.
For Monday.
The stacks of dockets show David Wallace and the Boone County Public Defenders what cases are set for Monday, but they're just some of the several that are on their plates.
They're going to handle over 150 felonies and over 400 misdemeanors.
The Missouri Supreme Court weighed in on a different public defender's office's woes this week. In southwest Missouri's Stoddard County, the Supreme Court said public defenders could not outright reject cases, but had to follow new state laws. Those require public defenders to ask a judge for permission and evaluate their caseloads. Stoddard County Prosecutor Russell Oliver supported the decision. He says it makes it so all parties involved get a chance to discuss the issue rather than just the public defenders. Wallace is skeptical that under those state laws, courts will give them their relief.
I don't think the courts believe that we're overworked.
Wallace hopes to get more direction from the Public Defender Commission on how to handle his own situation. His office currently pays private attorneys to take new cases of people in custody. Those out of custody are put on a waiting list that now has more than 200 people on it.
People who are otherwise qualified, poor, who can't afford to hire an attorney, who are looking at the prospect of incarceration, they are on a waiting list.
Wallace says he hopes to start taking those clients on in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Many public defenders' offices asked to stop taking cases throughout the state after the Supreme Court reprimanded a public defender for failing to work with some clients. That public defender said he just had too high of a caseload. It's a situation the head of the public defenders tells me means either you take new cases and possibly lose your law license or reject new cases and be in contempt of court. Reporting live here in Columbia, Lucas Geisler, ABC 17 News.